Mike innovative door, 24x7. We put in some 60,000 cycle springs here, 2 5/8. And then we slapped the coupler there in the middle so you can pull everything off the middle instead of off the ends. 24x8 in the city. We parked 3 cars in here. Got a belt drive opener with a center hang. Nice center hangs there. You hit the button for me right now. Bad. Down. 24x7 rib door, Florida garage needs, innovative door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com, like us on Facebook. I got the little events up there. Thanks for watching our 24x7 fixed garage door video, and as always I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our long garage door video.